Hello everyone, let's make red velvet cake step by step. I will be sharing the full recipe with you guys step by step. First I will prepare the buttermilk, which is the staple in every red velvet cake recipe. In 200 ml of milk add 1 tablespoon vinegar and 1 tablespoon red food color. I mix gel and powder red color, then leave it for at least 15 minutes. In another bowl take 1½ cup plain flour. 1 tablespoon cocoa powder with 1 teaspoon baking powder and ½ teaspoon baking soda and 1 cup powdered sugar, which I forgot to show in the video. Make sure to sift every dry item in the recipe, it makes the cake light and fluffy. After that add an egg, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence in the dry ingredients, and gradually add the prepared buttermilk to it as well and mix gently. Don't overmix the cake batter as it will take out the air out of the mixture and it makes the cake heavy. At last add 1/4 cup vegetable oil and mix well. Then pour the mixture into a greased cake tin and bake on 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Then we will prepare the cream cheese frosting, which is specially prepared for red velvet cake. In a bowl add 200 ml of chilled heavy whipping cream and add vanilla essence and icing sugar to it according to your taste.
After beating it on low speed for 2 to 3 minutes, add ½ cup cream cheese to it and beat it on high speed for 5 to 8 minutes. When stiff peaks form, your cream cheese frosting is ready. Now assemble the cake by dividing into 3 layers and soaking with milk or sugar syrup, then adding the cream cheese frosting in between. Crumb coat it and leave in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Then cover the whole cake in icing and decorate with swirls and cake crumbs. Your delicious red velvet cake is ready. If you liked this video, share it and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more cake recipes and videos. See you in the next one. Bye.